In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send a Spotify playlist to someone. So once you're on Spotify, you want to go ahead and select a playlist that you want to share with someone or send it to someone. In this case, I'm going to select main playlist at the top. And then on your screen, you want to find the three vertical dots, and it could be a horizontal dots, but you want to find the three dots and tap on them. In this case, on my phone, it's on the top right. And now I want to scroll down to the bottom and it says share. Tap on share and you have various options of how you can share this on Instagram, newsfeed, on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, SMS. So if I go ahead and select copy link, I can go ahead and now send that to people. So that is how you send a playlist on Spotify to someone. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.